Good morning, boys and girls. It's Miss Barakos here with our science lesson for today. I decided to take a survey of some of the teachers here at Mimosa to see what their favorite season was. My personal favorite is fall. I love that it gets a little bit chilly and that the leaves go and fall to the ground. It's always been one of my favorites. So I wonder what your favorite season is too. So I asked a lot of teachers what their favorite season was. And as you can see, over here in the fall category, we can count by fives because it's tally marks. We've got 5, 10, 11, 12. Winter had 1, spring had 2, and summer had 3. So what you're going to do is you're going to look at the chart to see how the teachers answered what your favorite season is, and then answer the questions about the data. As you go on to the next slide, it's going to have the answers to your questions, so you're going to have to take a minute to figure out the answers first. Here are your answers. You can go ahead and compare your results to the actual answers, and then do it for yourself. So what you can do is you can ask your family or your friends the same question: what is your favorite season? Fall, summer, spring, winter, fall, and which season had the most votes after you got all of your data, and what your favorite season is. So once you're done with that, you're done with today's lesson. Have a great day.